How to add voiceover in Canva. So first go to Canva, and then for example this is the video that I want to add a voiceover to. What you can do here is just click on the upload here at the left side, and then you can just click on upload files here. Then from there you just need to double click on any of the file or voiceover that you have, and then just upload it from there. Okay, so if you want to do recording here in Canva, you can just click on record yourself here. Then from there you just need to click on record here at the bottom, click on it, then wait for the countdown, and then you just need to say the things that you want to say. So let's say I want to say welcome to our channel, and then that's done. Just click on done. Then once you click on save and exit, your recording will automatically play while uploading. So let's just click on save and exit, and then you just need to say the things that you want to say. So let's say I want to say welcome to our channel, and then that's done. Just click on done. Okay, as you can see, you just heard the recording I just made earlier. So once you've done that, you can already see here. So if you want to play it, just click on play here, and then you just need to say, as you can see, and then you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.